AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Associate SAA-C03 Practice Exam Questions by AWS.
Question 1. A company moved its on-premises PostgreSQL database to an Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance. The company successfully launched a new product. The workload on the database has increased. The company wants to accommodate the larger workload without adding infrastructure. Which solution will meet these requirements most cost-effectively? A. Buy reserved DB instances for the total workload. Make the Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance larger. B. Make the Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance a multi-AZ DB instance. C. Buy reserved DB instances for the total workload. Add another Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance. D. Make the Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL DB instance an on-demand DB instance. Correct answer. Option A. B is incorrect because it is for HA, does not help accommodating the larger workload. C is incorrect because adding another instance will not help. We can't split the workload between two instances. D is incorrect because on-demand instance is a good choice for unknown workload, but here we know the workload, it's just higher than before.
Moving on to question 2. A global company runs its applications in multiple AWS accounts in AWS organizations. The company's applications use multi-part uploads to upload data to multiple Amazon S3 buckets across AWS regions. The company wants to report on incomplete multi-part uploads for cost compliance purposes. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? A. Configure AWS config with a rule to report the incomplete multi-part upload object count. B. Create a service control policy, SCP, to report the incomplete multi-part upload object count. C. Configure S3 storage lens to report the incomplete multi-part upload object count. D. Create an S3 multi-region access point to report the incomplete multi-part upload object count.
Correct answer is option C. S3 storage lenses can be used to find incomplete multi-part uploads. You can confirm the same with AWS Docs reference link as shown here. Next up is question 3. A company plans to migrate to AWS and use Amazon EC2 on-demand instances for its application. During the migration testing phase, a technical team observes that the application takes a long time to launch and load memory to become fully productive. Which solution will reduce the launch time of the application during the next testing phase? A. Launch 2 or more EC2 on-demand instances. Turn on auto-scaling features and make the EC2 on-demand instances available during the next testing phase. B. Launch EC2 spot instances to support the application and to scale the application so it is available during the next testing phase. C. Launch the EC2 on-demand instances with hibernation turned on. Configure EC2 auto-scaling warm pools during the next testing phase. D. Launch EC2 on-demand instances with capacity reservations. Start additional EC2 instances during the next testing phase.
Correct answer is option C. Using EC2 hibernation and auto-scaling warm pools will help addressing the following. Hibernation saves the in-memory state of the EC2 instance to persistent storage and shuts the instance down. When the instance is started again, the in-memory state is restored, which launches much faster than launching a new instance. Warm pools pre-initialize EC2 instances and keep them ready to fulfill requests, reducing launch time. The hibernated instances can be added to a warm pool. When auto-scaling scales out during the next testing phase, it will be able to launch instances from the warm pool rapidly since they are already initialized.
Thanks for your attention till now. For a full list of practice questions, drop an email at acert6@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.